You know that antimatter, so I'm telling you, dude, how Bob Lazar is talking about this.
Used as a target and is bombarded with protons in a small particle accelerator.
Wait.
The power source is a reactor which uses this element 115 as its fuel. In this reactor, element 115 is used as a target and is bombarded with protons in a small particle accelerator. When a proton plugs into the
This is a
nucleus of an
gamma
atom of
emitter
115,
for
it increases
anti-light.
its atomic number and becomes an atom of element 116.
No, do you know how I know it is? Because I got antimatter components that are from the X-ray spectrum. Just watch. You can make a whole host of other antimatter technologies that are exactly like the visible light, the light spectrum. Look, it would be this whole light spectrum. So microwave, infrared, and then do you see how it's gamma ray? That's an antimatter gamma ray emitter. The X-ray emitter is elastic in electrical tape, and then these other wave frequencies are different types of antimatter light spectrum because it's a forward and reverse thing. I'm telling you, I swear to God, you can test the proof yourself. But there's multiple types of reactors. There's reactors like this, which work with X-rays, the X-ray copy part from it. And it's the whole light spectrum of antimatter in reverse space-time. And I'm telling you, I can find the other particles and other antimatter components. I'm telling you, light has ions in it. You know what I mean? There's ions in. You know how the ions have a charge and they create isotopes. So there's an anti-ion in it, in the visible in the light spectrum, which controls the whole fluctuation between all the antimatter particles. This is going to be fact here soon, but you're going to find out that all the light spectrum can make new types of antimatter wave devices in reactors of sorts, or fractionation devices to pump antimatter out. But what I mean is, I already got that, but I also got antimatter electricity. So literal antimatter electricity that moves in reverse space-time. And I showed you the proof of the aliens, and then I have the proof of the time travel also up. But that's what you'd have to do to activate some of them, you know what I mean? But you will be able to find out more antimatter technologies with the whole spectrum of light. And you could build new sciences and devices. But I'm telling